Thanks to CIL Insurance, Australia's leading specialist caravan and RV insurer, we're here to show you some important safety tips to consider before heading off on your next caravanning or RV adventure. Assuming your van or RV is set up properly and attached to a suitable tow vehicle, the new caravanner should become confident with driving techniques. Driving techniques can be broken down into 6 categories: moving off, cruising, overtaking, being overtaken, going downhill, and fuel consumption. Moving off is a bit different to a conventional vehicle because you won't have the same acceleration rate due to the extra weight of the van and its cargo. Manual vehicles may need to stay in lower gears longer, and it's not a bad idea to use the gear selector on automatic transmissions. Setting the appropriate cruising speed can be variable. Some states require caravans and RVs to be towed at slower speeds than normal traffic. Unless overtaking, keeping 60 metres of distance from the vehicle in front is paramount. Or you can apply the 3-second rule, which increases the distance the faster you travel. If safe to do so, increasing your speed when approaching a hill is a good idea to maintain your cruise speed. The more speed you lose, the longer it will take to regain your cruising speed. Overtaking should be done with extreme caution. Take into effect the reduced acceleration and the longer length of the caravan. It will take longer to get past a vehicle and you will need time to merge back into your lane. Never overtake a slower vehicle going downhill. Being overtaken requires awareness and a few decisions that need to be considered. Constantly monitor your rear view mirrors to be ready when another vehicle wants to overtake. Move left and give the overtaking vehicle as much room as safely possible. And always know the greater the distance between the two vehicles, the safer the situation becomes. Before descending is when you need to prepare to go downhill. Reduce your speed and shift down or select a lower gear. Using your lower gears reduces your need for braking and potentially becoming unstable. Fuel consumption not only costs money, but it's also an indicator of fast driving speeds, poor engine or poor driving habits. Keeping your vehicle serviced and tuned properly is a start and will eliminate a poor engine using more fuel. Caution when accelerating or decelerating helps as well with braking. By continually braking and affecting the momentum, you will consume more fuel over time. Ultimately, having the correct size tow vehicle in relation to your caravan or RV is going to allow for the most cost-efficient travel. This safety tip was brought to you by CIL Insurance. CIL Insurance, Australia's leading specialist caravan and RV insurer. For more information, visit cilinsurance.com.au.